Okay, it's 10:37. We've got the oven set for 590 for pizza, and we've got the thermometer here, and let's see how long it takes to get. Well, it's starting to move up. It's set for 590. It's already at 150. The Gulf appliance just left, put in new burners and the igniter. So we're hoping this is going to correct the problem. Well, it's almost 11 o'clock and it's still moving good. It's up to 521 degrees. So it's getting there very slowly, but it's getting there. It's now 11:08, set for 590 degrees for pizza. And it is at 559 degrees, so it's moving up pretty good. It's now 11:28, still set for 590 degrees for the pizza. It is now at 557. It just went down to 554. It doesn't look like it's going to reach any higher than that. It's been on for quite a while now. Well, now it's dropping down to 546. Not quite sure why it's going down, but it doesn't look like it's going to go back up to 550, which is still a far cry from the 590 that it's set for.